Greetings everyone, this is your realtor Teo Wences. I am showing you one of my remodel projects. I purchased that home as a fixer and I am remodeling and doing a lot of work. Currently we are in the 80% final stage. We have done so much work from painting, floor coverings and everything and beyond. We're working outside also before we get this home on the market for rent. Why should your realtor be involved in the purchase of fixers for renting or flipping? The reason is when your realtor is involved with the purchase of fixers to make it into rentals or flipping them, is we become intimately knowledgeable with the cost of materials, labor, and time, what it takes to remodel a home. With that in mind, a realtor who has the kind of experience will be better equipped to help you make decisions in your purchase of real estate because we have close knowledge of how things get done, the process of hiring a contractor, navigating the costs and bids for the work. So if you are in the process of thinking about buying a home and fixing it, or just buying a home that is already fixed, get in touch with me and I'll be able to guide you. This is our continued project. You can see there's still a lot of work that needs to be done. I said this is a 80% done project as of right now. It was quite a bit intense. So far we have put in this project around 100,000 on both houses and we have more to go. Get in touch with me so I can guide you in the purchase of your next home or your next project, your next fixer, or your next rental. Your agent, Teo Wences, 4everhomes, 556-1845. Of course, area code 541-556-1845. I know how to get you into your next home. Teo Wences, 4everhomes.